Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to enhance your audio on CapCut. Now it just gives the finishing touch that you need. I do use a professional microphone, but I still like to use it. So if you're not using a microphone or a very cheap microphone, I highly recommend it to sound professional. So first of all, you're going to drag down your video down into here and select it. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to export in the top right corner. And then you're going to make sure that the video is unselected and the audio is selected. Now you're going to export that. I've already done so. So as you go back to the Internet Explorer, go to Adobe Podcast. And then you just choose your file, put it in, upload. And when it's uploaded and it's finished uploading, around here, you will see a download button. Click the download button, and when it's downloaded, head back to CapCut. Now, when you're back in CapCut, you're going to want to import the new audio. So I'm going to import it now, and then I'm going to drag it down. So it'll be underneath. Now, once you've done that, you want to then select the video with the original audio, click on audio, and make sure you pull the volume down. Don't turn this off, just pull the audio down, and you're good to go. So that is exactly how you make your videos sound more professional with that extra touch. And to add, Adobe Podcast is free to use. I hope that helped.